Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn on how to conduct sum and SUMIF using Excel. So the first step is you have your data. So we can start. So we are going to start with sum. So for you to do the sum, you can go here and then use this one. So you can have this. So I'm going to change. So I'm going to select this and then okay. So let's see if it is, yeah, it's that number. Also, I can edit the table. So I can edit the table and then I have this and then you click enter. So this is the first step that you can conduct for the sum. So you can go to formulas, auto sum, and then you conduct the sum. So you can, the other way that you can do it is by placing your cursor in one of the cells where you want your output to appear, and then you put a equal sign and then you type sum, and then you put your cursor in the sum and then you click the tab key and then you select your the figures that you want the sum to be conducted in. So I'm going to select one and then I click Shift Control page down and then I close my bracket and then I click enter. That's how you can do the sum. So I've said that you can go to formulas and then use the automation sum, or you can type the formula. So that's how you can do it. So let's do the SUMIF. So you can still go here and then you have more formulas, but I'm going to type it. So I'm going to type SQL formula and then I'm going to type SUMIF. Then click SUMIF and then click the tab, and then that is. So you're supposed to click the range. So the range, I'm going to have this range here, and then the criteria, I want to click those Kisumu and then comma, and then the sum range is this one, and then I'm going to close the bracket and then I click enter. So let's see if we are correct. So for Kisumu, those who are in Kisumu, we have this 520. The other Kisumu 570. The other Kisumu is 590. Let's see if we are correct. So we are correct. Clap for yourselves. So that's how you can do it. So we can also have the other county. We can have Migori. So we have Migori here. So here, we are going to click here instead of Kisumu. So we can have another formula. So we are going to have it here. SQL formula SUMIF, then tab, and then we're going to select the range, and then you have your comma, and then you have your criteria, comma, and then the actions that you want to be done. This, then you click that. So that's how you can do it. We can do for age also. So that's how you can run SUM and SUMIF in Excel. So this is very important because if you are the person who handles data and then you want to get a subset of sum for some of the data, this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.